Hello Bobcats! In this video I'm going to show you two major parts of Google Classroom. The first is how to open a doc, a slide, a form, or a drawing and attach it to your assignment. And the second is how to find grades that you have earned on assignments if they were graded assignments. So let's start with the first one, how to attach a doc, slide, form, or drawing to your assignment. So we open our Google Classroom, the Bobcat class. We click on the Classwork tab because we know that's where our assignments will be found. Once we do that, we find our topic. We're using week of July 2nd as our topic. There is a new assignment here called Summer Journal. Its due date is due July the 3rd. If I click on Summer Journal, you will see that it gives me directions. We always read our directions carefully, and it says write a story about your favorite summer activity. You may add a picture or drawing, but make sure you have text. You may use docs or drawings to complete this assignment. So then if I click View Assignment, you will notice that the teacher has not attached a document for you to use because she's giving you an option. So when you come over here to the right-hand side of the screen, it says Your Work, Assigned, and it says Add or Create. We're going to click on Add or Create. You will see down here it says Create New. Docs, Slides, Sheets, or Drawings. If I click on Drawings, it's opening slowly. Once it is opened, it has my name and everything at the top, and then in the drawing I can search the web for a picture because one of my favorite summer activities is swimming. So if I find a picture of swimming, and I know that I can use these, so I really want swimming pool, so let me type in swimming pool. And here we go, and I have found this swimming pool. I'm going to attach it here in my picture, or I could draw a picture. There are all kinds of drawing tools in Google Drawing. My directions said I needed to include text, so I would make a text box, and then I could change my font if I wanted to. I can do many different things. I can change my color of my text. And then I will start typing my story. So my favorite activity this summer has been swimming. I like to swim in the deep end and dive off of the diving board. Now, you would want to include many more details, so I'm going to stop right there for this one. So then I click out of here, and when I click out of here, it shows that I have created a Google drawing. Once I am finished, I click Turn In. It tells me it's going to be submitted, and I click Turn In. Turning in is very, very important. So then it attaches my work to the assignment. Now, if you need to go back and fix something, you can always do Unsubmit. Now, I'm going to now show you how to find grades on your assignments. So once you're in an assignment, to get out of this particular assignment, you can go back to Classwork. Now, if I want to find if the teacher has graded some of my work, if I go right here where it says View Your Work, and if I click there, you'll see what the teacher has graded. Here, this is turned in, but she hasn't graded it. The Tangram dog, she graded, even though I didn't turn it in. I should have turned it in. I got 90 out of 100. Look at the Tangram house. I got 100 out of 100. Sometimes the teacher will not give a grade on an activity. Maybe it doesn't need a grade, so you will not see a grade assigned there. This is how you can find your graded work. I hope this video was very helpful for you. I look forward to you learning some more with us. Thank you.